Hi everyone, this is Karen, Elaine, and I'm excited to share with you all of my Fodder School 3 projects in this YouTube hop. So I'll get started. We've got Dive Enter, the Coptic Bound, watercolor journals. I think this was a beautiful project, a really great way to start off Fodder School 3. And because I love watercolor so much, this was just perfect for me. I just love it. And I love the way this book lays flat, and she also had wonderful lessons on how to make these fun little spreads. Just fun. And some of them I just sort of inserted in here also, just some of my own stuff. But I really love these spreads that she showed us. And this one I think is my favorite. But so I made a couple of those and for October, and I really love them. And then for November we have Tiffany Sharpe. She showed us, of course, lots of watercolor fodder making, and I'm at the end we put together these beautiful folios that are just like little pockets of beauty and so much fun, and they are great for carrying all kinds of things. And I just think these just turned out so beautifully. They're so much fun. And I made lots of them. You can see I made quite a few, but that's because I just couldn't stop. It's just so much fun. And here's Megan's stencils and some watercolor, loose watercolor, florals. We had just, I don't know, too much fun. It was actually amazing. And then this was just in time for Christmas, you know, to make these as gifts. And I love this to hold watercolor papers. And there we go. I'll show you all these. This is the cutest one, I think. It's in the small things, and it's a small piece. But yes, you can hold a gift card or anything. These are really durable, so it was quite fun. Okay, so that is November. And then December, we had Barb Smucker, who showed us a technique called spontaneous collage. And we made a series of spontaneous collages. And then the great thing is we mounted them in this accordion journal. And I just think that is so wonderful. Or concertina journal. And I just made a real simple cover, and I thought that was really beautiful. So that was fun. The Barb Smucker. And then for January, Megan Quinlan showed us how to create a deck of cards using so many wonderful techniques. Mixed media techniques and watercolor, collage, of course. And they're just incredible. I just loved doing this project, and I think I'll cherish this forever. I did both sides so that just so I had little, just basically an individual piece of art each time I created one. And I tried to make them in a series, sort of, to kind of work with each other, but they're all unique in their own. And we really learned some amazing techniques with this, with her lessons. So that was really fun. And we had a little tin to go with it, so we got this gorgeous little set of cards. Now for February of this year, we had Jennifer Wilkin Penick, and she showed us her fabulous fodder creating, collage making material, techniques. And after that, we created these fun collages. Just really fun. And then everything came together in this great little concertina book. Same way that I think Barb put it all together. It's kind of a nice document of that month, all in one wonderful little package. So that one was really fun. I'm just going to put this off to the side. Okay, and then for March, Shay Kent had talked about vision boards, and everything was created to put in a beautiful vision board, and I don't have room for that, so I made myself a little vision book, using her techniques, but I put them in a book instead. And this is my version of Shay's project, and that was really quite fun. So many, mixed media techniques, of course, and I put a little folded envelope on the top so that I could put goodies in it. So that was fun. And then for April, Christine Karpiak had a wonderful talk about mixed media, fabrics that I never work with, clay I never work with, but I loved it because we did stamp carving, we did all kinds of things, and I loved the way this kind of natural little series came out, and I love these little pieces. I still haven't figured out what to do with them yet. I just think they're fun. Maybe I'll hang them up, but I just love them. I love the whole process that she shared with us. For April, oh, I'm sorry, that was April. So May, Susanne Randers. Okay, here we go. So this was an epic project. It's like taking it's like the Fodder Keeper that Tiffany showed us on steroids. It's the Fodder Folio. But before we did the Fodder Folio, we did the Fodder. We did these beautiful clusters, and I just love that. And made all kinds of, drawing, this little drawing fodder ink, and it was quite fun. But then afterwards, this Fodder Folio just holds all the fodder you want. This is not even close to being filled up, but it was really a fun process. So we got that, and then for June, Sarah Gardner had artist trading card techniques based on travels, and I think that this is I think I did this in a bonus lesson. This little ATC holder. I hope I did. I think I did, but I made this little ATC book out of envelopes just so I could store my beautiful cards that I got. Here's one from Shay, and I really love this, having a little something I can hold these. Gail, and I love trading cards. They're fun. Michelle. So that was fun. I've got a couple of books filled with beautiful cards, and I'm really happy that I did that. And then let's see, July was Kecia Deveney. Now I didn't get all the way done, but I was close, so I'm going to share this one with you. Shrinky Dinks. I fell in love with Shrinky Dinks once again. I had so much fun creating this necklace out of handmade paper beads and shrink charms out of Megan Quinlan stencils, and these little birds out of my little drawings and my little whimsical birds. But this is a necklace, but it's can be worn, of course, but it also is hanging on my wall with another little painting. Kind of looks like the final project that Kecia showed us, but it's kind of on my wall and I can't take it off. But that was really quite fun too, so that was great. And then I was only able to do just a little bit of Alison's project, and I do want to show you because I really enjoyed her lessons on how to make these berry watercolor and ink sketches. I just love this, and I didn't get time to do the houses, but I plan to at some point. That's what I love about Fodder School. You can get it any time. It's once you have or you're part of it, you can access your classes anytime. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed my little show and tell of Fodder School 3, and thank you for watching.